We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive and unbiased overview of the CALDEVER Thumbs Up phone stand, a product that has quickly become a favorite among users of all ages. If you own this item, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports our channel. The CALDEVER Thumbs Up phone stand is marketed as a versatile, fun, and practical accessory designed to enhance your daily smartphone experience. This review will cover the features, performance, usability, pros, cons, and overall impressions of the product, ensuring you have all the information you need to decide if it fits your needs. Starting with the design, the CALDEVER stand immediately stands out due to its creative thumbs-up motif. This playful design is more than just an aesthetic choice. It serves as a symbol of encouragement, positivity, and affirmation. Many users report that this visual element adds a cheerful touch to their workspace, bedroom, or study area. The stand comes in attractive macaron colors, making it a hit with kids, teens, and adults alike. Whether you are looking for a gift for a loved one, a stocking stuffer, or a practical addition to your own desk, the visual appeal of this phone holder is universally praised. Functionality is at the core of the CALDEVER phone stand's appeal. The patented upgraded 360-degree rotation and adjustable angle design allow users to position their devices exactly how they want. This flexibility is particularly useful for video calls, online learning, streaming, and gaming. The stand's ability to hold devices both horizontally and vertically is a significant advantage, as it adapts to different use cases without requiring multiple stands or constant adjustments. Users consistently highlight how the stand securely holds their phones at the perfect angle, whether on a nightstand, desk, or kitchen counter. The structure of the stand is both widened and thickened, which enhances its stability and compatibility. It supports a wide range of devices, including iPhones, iPad minis, Samsung phones, and most other smartphones and small tablets. The stand's anti-slip grip ensures that devices remain steady, even during extended use. This is especially important for users who rely on their phones for long video calls or hands-free viewing. The eco-friendly PP material used in its construction is another positive, reflecting a commitment to environmental responsibility without compromising durability or performance. One of the standout features is the support for wireless charging. Unlike many phone stands that interfere with charging, the CALDEVER stand allows users to charge their devices wirelessly while they are being held. This seamless integration of convenience and technology is a significant benefit, especially for those who want to keep their devices powered up during use. Portability is another key advantage. Weighing only 1.7 ounces and measuring approximately 3 by 4.25 inches, the stand is compact enough to fit in a bag, purse, or even a large pocket. This makes it an ideal travel companion, whether you are heading to school, the office, a cafe, or on vacation. Users frequently mention how easy it is to take the stand with them and set it up wherever they need a stable phone holder. The CALDEVER stand's versatility extends to its use in various settings. At home, it can be used in the living room, kitchen, bedroom, or bathroom. In the office, it helps keep your phone accessible and visible during meetings or while working at your desk. Students appreciate its utility for online classes and study sessions, while parents find it useful for keeping kids entertained with hands-free video viewing. The stand's multi-purpose nature makes it a practical choice for a wide range of users. Customer feedback consistently highlights the product's sturdiness and reliability. Many reviewers note that the stand is well made and provides a secure base for their devices. The adjustable feature is frequently described as a game changer, allowing users to customize the viewing angle for maximum comfort. The stand's compact size is generally seen as a positive, though a few users mention that they would prefer a slightly larger version for larger tablets or phones with bulky cases. Despite this, the majority of users find the size to be adequate for everyday use. In terms of gifting, the CALDEVER stand excels. It is often purchased as a gift for occasions such as Mother's Day, birthdays, Easter, and Christmas. Parents report that their children love receiving the stand as a fun and functional addition to their tech setup. The product is also popular as a stocking stuffer or small token of appreciation for coworkers, friends, and family members. The combination of practicality and playful design makes it a memorable and appreciated gift. The product's value for money is another commonly cited benefit. With a pack of 2 stands included, users feel they are getting excellent value, especially given the stand's durability and versatility. The bright colors and fun design add to the perceived value, making it a standout choice in a crowded market of phone accessories. While the vast majority of reviews are positive, no product is without its drawbacks. Some users mention that the stand could be a bit larger to accommodate bigger devices or cases. Others note that while the stand is sturdy, it may not be suitable for heavier tablets or devices with unusual shapes. However, these concerns are relatively minor and do not detract significantly from the overall user experience. The CALDEVER brand offers hassle-free customer service, which provides peace of mind for buyers. The manufacturer's commitment to customer satisfaction is reflected in the product's high ratings and positive feedback. With a current rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars from over 400 reviews, the stand is well regarded by a broad spectrum of users. In summary, the CALDEVER Thumbs Up phone stand is a delightful blend of form and function. Its creative design, adjustable features, sturdy construction, and portability make it a standout choice for anyone seeking a reliable phone holder. The stand's compatibility with a wide range of devices, support for wireless charging, and eco-friendly materials further enhance its appeal. Whether you are buying for yourself or as a gift, this product delivers on its promises and adds a touch of fun to everyday tech use. Users appreciate the stand's ability to hold phones securely at various angles, its compact and lightweight design, and its suitability for a variety of settings. The playful thumbs-up motif and vibrant colors make it especially popular with kids and teens, while adults value its practicality and durability. The stand's versatility ensures it can be used at home, in the office, at school, or on the go, making it a must-have accessory for modern life. If you are considering a phone stand that combines style, functionality, and value, the CALDEVER Thumbs Up phone stand is an excellent choice. Its positive reviews, thoughtful design, and user-friendly features make it a top pick among phone accessories. Remember, if you have experience with this product, please leave a review in the comments to help others. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports the channel. In conclusion, the CALDEVER Thumbs Up phone stand stands out as a fun, functional, and giftable accessory that meets the needs of a diverse user base. Its innovative design, reliable performance, and affordable price point make it a smart investment for anyone looking to enhance their smartphone experience. Whether for personal use or as a thoughtful gift, this phone stand is sure to bring a smile and deliver lasting value.